Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this episode, we're looking at something we've never seen before, a battery with negative voltage. Now, this battery was connected in this device here in a series with this battery, which is good. Now, we've seen a lot of batteries before, but we've never seen a battery with negative voltage. And we're going to show you exactly what happened. So here's the device. This is a home automation device that uses a wireless chime. And inside, as you can see, like a lot of battery compartments, the batteries are wired in a series. And what that means is the positive from one battery goes to the negative of the other. Now, what happened was this battery, which is the good battery, and this battery, which is the bad battery, as they were working, the good battery started to pull the charge and the other battery started freaking out and switched polarity. And this is how it happened. So as one battery starts to fail in the series, it reverses its polarity, resulting in negative voltage. So if you don't believe us, we're going to show you on the multimeter right now these surprising results. There's your good battery. There's your bad battery. So let's take a look at the good battery first. Minus to minus and plus to plus. And we're reading a little less than 3 volts. And these batteries are rated at 3 volts. So this battery's good. It's healthy. That's, as you can see, 3 volt rating. So it's pretty close. And once again, minus to minus and plus to plus. And that battery's okay. That's a normal battery. Now, what about this? This battery with negative polarity. Let's take a look. Minus to minus and plus to plus. And here we go. Take a look. Take a look at that multimeter. Negative voltage. It's amazing. So some short in the battery has caused it to reverse the ion flow. And this is a result of it being in a series and the other battery sucking the juice out of it. And now if we turn it over and we put minus to plus and plus to minus, we get positive voltage. Because the battery has reversed its flow. The polarity of the battery has changed. When this one was sucking the juice out of it, it got fried and the polarity changed. And so when you test it on the minus and positive terminals, you're going to get a negative charge. We've never seen something like this before. What types of weird battery situations have you seen? Leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear about it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we hope you have a great day.